Hello, it's Jill Montoni here at the Keller Williams Evolution office. I'm an agent here. I work with all types of seller, buyer, investor properties. I'm here to discuss right-sizing your home or downsizing, as it may be. Most people looking for less yard work, upkeep, or smaller home to take care of. There's all kinds of facets we'll be discussing. The first one is often, what do I do with my possessions? And I can guide you through that. I come for a tour, literally show you how to begin packing up, sorting, and in a good way, in a supportive way. I have boxes and packaging materials that I use very effectively. I'll give you those to order and teach you. And really, it can be the process. Often you're handling things, packing them up, and they have wonderful memories attached. You've been in this house either for a work life or a family life. And it is part of our process. My number, 978-771-6467. I'd be more than happy to talk to you further about downsizing and making a new life. Have a great day.